Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the right needle and thread because that pair controls tension and stitch clarity. Thread length matters. Cut about 18-24 to avoid knots while stitching. Once cut, separate the 6-strand floss to the number of strands you need. Fewer strands give finer detail. Make sure to smooth the end to pass through the eye. If you prefer, tie a tiny knot at the tail for anchoring. This prevents the thread from slipping through the fabric. Now focus on getting the thread through the needle cleanly. This step saves you time later. You can wet or lightly wax the tip to stiffen it. This helps the thread sneak through the eye without splaying. Once done, fold the thread and pinch a neat point. That narrow tip slides through faster than a blunt end. If you struggle with small eyes, use a needle threader. It reduces frustration and keeps the thread smooth, so your tension stays consistent when you stitch. Finish by anchoring your thread and beginning the embroidery with confidence. You can secure with a tiny waist knot or make 2-3 small backstitches on the fabric's wrong side for a neat anchor. Once anchored, leave a short 1/2 tail when using a no-knot start and catch it under the first stitches so it stays hidden. If your fabric puckers, make sure to change to a smaller needle or use fewer strands. This corrects tension problems and keeps stitches flat and even.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.